Okay, guys, welcome to another new video. It's quite long time after that I putting a new video on YouTube, but I have some work, so that's why I don't get time to upload any video. But I try to upload weekly videos from this time. Today I'm thinking to show you some trick about library over OS and pathlib, which are most two important libraries in Python and quite useful for operating like file manipulation and directory manipulation and for this kind of stuff. So let's get into it and see how you can do some stuffs like listing files from a directory, creating files, deleting files, as well as renaming all the files, that kind of stuff. So for that, let's jump into it, my code editor, and so that's okay. Now my code editor is opening, so I will make a new directory, so where I can uh, do all the test and demo to all of you. So let me go to the desktop. uh, okay, now as I am in the code editor, so let's make a file and after that start the coding. Okay, now I'm going to import the OS module and as well as the path module, path leap. So as if you opened it, you can see that OS in VS Code, that OS routines for the NT or the Posix depending on what system we are on. Okay, now here you can see that all functions which are like os.card, this will return the current working current directory, and as well as there will be parent directory. Part D will return the parent directory of that, and all other functions you can get here. So it has another uh, different submodules in it, which you can use, like this path module. This path module is similar to the path leap, but path leap consists of some other more functionality into it, and it has the Windows Posix and as well as the Unix like path, so you can uh, use both of them. Now if I go to this join function, you can see that this will do like join two or more path name components. While we are doing to do it manually, then we need to insert this slash. Okay, now that is much of talking, so let's do some OS related stuff. So if you want to get the current directory of your, so for that you can do card read, and if you run it, uh, okay, it's taking some time. or else I just do okay. os.cut string object is not callable. But okay, here you can see that it's giving us the dot. So dot is the presenting that it is the current directory or the directory where should it present. Okay, I think now it's a bit larger, so you guys can take a look. So let me okay, so you guys can use the kite. Kite is a Python autocompletion tool which give you help completing your code and that kind of stuff. So definitely check kite. And it's not a promotion or that kind of thing. It's just I am using kite, and it's quite good auto completion assistant that help you to make write good code and all that stuff. Now if I comment it that this will give you the current present directory. গান শুনতে আছে okay. Now uh, as we see this function, now let's do some more other stuff as well. Now okay, now if I maybe this function is called parted. So parted is the show you the parent directory of the current directory. So if I run this, it's give you double dot. So basically it's help you to understand the parent directory of your current directory, but it does not give you the name of the operating system, name of the parent directory. So that's fall or like okay. Now if you want to list all the files, you can use listed. For that I just supply dot, so it will list all the files. So you can see that currently I have only one file in this directory, so that's why I am getting tutorial.py, and it return UR list containing all the files in it. So I just comment it out that this will give you the parent directory name, parent directory. So yeah, that's the function do, and for the listed it will list all the files in a directory. So yeah, if you supply any other path, then it will list that from that directory as well. Now if I go to the path, you can see that there is all kind of function that from Posix NTOS2, that kind of things you can get. And to do that there is lots of functions you get, but for us Mostly used functions are the like os.rmd, os.remove. So let's see this remove. So this function is basically remove a file from the name. We can see that. Okay, so let's create a demo file to delete. Let's say demo.txt, and we want to delete it. Now we have the demo.txt. So if we run os.remove dot slash demo dot txt, so and if I run this, you can see that the file is deleted. So remove will remove a file from the directory. And I think that pathleaf, I think to create a dedicated video to pathleaf, so today I only use the OS module. So it will be more focused and we can see how we can use that. So now if I go to the os.remove, we can search for like touch. Okay, now I think, okay, there is a os.write. So okay, os.write is basically do write something into a file. So that's the thing for the file descriptor. And there will be make deeds. Make deeds do like make directory into the make deed, and also there will be a make deeds. Make deed to make a single directory, and make deeds make multiple directories into the file. And kill will kill a process, I think. Yeah, kill a process in the signal. So yeah, that's the thing it will do. And there is a walk method as well. So it will generate the directory tree by walking through the tree from top down or bottom up approach. So if I print that, print os dot walk, and let's give it dot dot slow, it will go to the parent directory. Okay, now I comment it out because there is no file demo.txt, so it's not okay. Now you can see that it's a generator object. So I think to make it a list, so we can see what is into it. Okay, now you can see that it returns all the files from the parent directory, and as well as as a, so if I do if I supply the current directory, then it will returns the whole sequence of the directory structure into it. Okay, now I'm going to official OS module website to take some look at it, so you guys can also check the information from there, because official documentation is the most accurate one. And there is other videos as well which are pretty good, and you can check that out. So Basically you can see that there is a something that os.name. So if I print os.name, it will print the operating system name, what I think. Okay, now I comment it out because it will do a lot of. Okay, it's a Posix. Okay, so Posix stands for the portable operating system interface. Posix is like more similar to the Unix. Okay, now you can see that os.ctar mid would return the terminal of the process. os.environment will create a mapping object representing the string environment, and there is a lot of other functions as well. You can check them from their website and the all other things. So set gid, set pid will all other things are related to the process in the computer which are running, or you can create as well. Basically OS is basically used for the file manipulation and all that kind of things, so that's why we are today see the things for like creating files. And I think OSS, yeah, that can be used, but there is a touch command I think, but maybe not exist for now, so that's why we can't use it. But yeah, these are the some functions I think we are required to use. Now if I print the os dot make deeds and supply the names of like data penguin, and you can see that currently there is no directory. It will create all the directories. Okay, so it's the make deeds. Okay, now you can see that the two folders is created here. Now if I want to remove them, I can do rmd os.rmd dot slash data, and it will remove all data folder, and it will work only for okay, let me search os.rmd. okay, yeah, so basically it's remove a directory which is empty, so I will call the penguin. In that case it will, yeah, and it will remove the penguin directory from there. So yeah, in like in this way you can use the operating OS module, and I think that it will be the part 1 of this video, and later I will upload the second part of this. And if you like this video, then please subscribe and uh, give it a like, and as well as show your enthusiast by commenting down like how I can improve the videos and make some other topics as well. Yeah, so thank you very much.